my name is Naomi Hartle and I'm the STEM and Science subject matter expert for School Specialty. I'm back here to give you a quick tutorial on how to make some homemade modeling dough. You can also call it clay dough, you can call it creation dough, whatever you want to call it. It's a fun different thing that you can make for all different art activities, science experiments, lots of fun little things you can do with it. I actually have a fossil finds lesson that I'm going to do a little bit later on and share that integrates this modeling dough recipe. So I wanted to show you how to do this in case you don't have any of that like Play-Doh or something at home. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I have my mom's recipe that I am sharing today that we used to make growing up. So definitely a fun little thing for me, reminiscing about way back when playing with Play-Doh. So we have 1 cup of flour, just all-purpose flour, whatever you can find in the cabinets. Half a cup of salt. I'm using kosher salt. We're gonna see if it works or not. Again, this is my first time making this since I've been young. We have cream of tartar. Now I know cream of tartar isn't something that everybody finds in their cabinet, but definitely something that you can do a substitute with. I Googled it to see what you can substitute for cream of tartar, and you can substitute lemon juice as well as, it was vinegar, like white vinegar. So if you don't have cream of tartar, that's another thing you can do. We have 1 cup here. I know you can't see right now, but 1 cup of water. We also are going to do 2 tablespoons of oil, and then we're also going to put in some fun colors because we have some food coloring. You can choose any color. I'm going to do red and see if I can make it pink because pink is my favorite color. So we're going to pan over to the stove where I have a pan started. I'm turning it onto low heat, and we're going to slowly start adding everything together. You're going to start with adding food coloring to your water. So we're actually going to do that right now before you scooch over. So we're just going to do a couple, we'll go 2 drops. Hopefully that doesn't, Mayday, Mayday. This is what happens when you let me do little cooking shows on my own. So I'm going to put 2 drops in. Hopefully that doesn't turn my, my nice white bowl pink, but we'll see what happens. Then I'm going to add in some, we're also going to grab a little whisk that we can use to stir it all up. To get started. It's kind of a fun pink color. Try that out, see how it goes. We're also going to add in 2 tablespoons of oil, just any type of like vegetable oil that you have. There we go. Beautiful. We're going to stir that up together, and then we're going to dump that into the pan on low heat to start. And then we're going to mix all of the ingredients together. And then basically what you're going to do is you're just going to start kind of stirring it together until all the liquid is gone and it's solid. So we're going to pan over to the pan and the stove and show you what that looks like. All right, so we're going to get started. So what we want to do is now that we've stirred together all of our water, oil, and food coloring, we're going to put that into the pan. The pan is on low heat right now. Okay, so next what we're going to do, we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. Just add it all in. We're going to do 1 cup of flour. We've got half a cup of salt, and then 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar. So then basically all we're going to do is we're going to try and stir it all up, mix it all up. Yes, that's the pink I was looking for. So next step, we are going to just drop it onto our wax paper. And then we're going to slowly start to just kind of knead it. Now you have your modeling dough. You can use this for any different activities. Go ahead and check out my fossil finds activity coming up soon that you'll be able to use to create some fossils and some imprints with your kiddos. So all you need to do now just to keep this where it's going to last a little bit It's good for up to a month. You can put it into a bag or you can put it into a Tupperware container and then you just put it into the fridge. Now again, you can create any type of colors that you want with all of your different food coloring bits. You can create as much of this modeling dough as you'd like. And then like I said, just put it in the fridge and it's good for up to a month. Drop in the comments, let me know what your thoughts are, if there's any different varieties that you have of how you make this, recipes that you have that you'd like to share out, and any other ideas that you have to use your clay dough or your modeling dough with. I'd love to hear it in the comments below. All right, we'll talk soon.